Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today we are preparing mushrooms. I'm going to use my oven here and the rest I will share little by little, so stay with me. Let's start. Wash and peel the mushrooms, removing the stems. You are taking those stems and cutting into small pieces like this and mixing with grated carrots. I used one small carrot. Now I will use the sour cream. 1 tablespoonful is okay. I'm going to use teaspoon. I guess that's enough. And now I'll mix it and add some spice. The spice will be paprika, salt, and a little bit of dill. I'm using dried dill because I don't have a fresh one. You may use also parsley if you like, but not thyme or not rosemary or other types of herbs. And on top I will use some cheese. I will slice more and add on top. Usually I'm using mozzarella. This time I'm using different type, but which is also melting cheese. It's an Armenian one. I'm not going to advertise it. Just find whatever cheese you like, which is a melting one. Okay, well, let's mix this. Well, after mixing the sour cream with carrots and the mushroom stems, we are adding a little bit of paprika. Because I love paprika, I'm going to add more. Not a little bit, but a lot. Okay, that's enough. And a little bit of salt. I'm using pink salt, Himalayan one. You may use other types, doesn't matter. And adding a little bit of dried dill. Yeah, I added more dill because I love dill. Also, people who love, viewers who love hot pepper, you may use also black ground pepper. Little by little, we're going to fill mushrooms with this mix. And on top, we will put the cheese. Now, time to add the cheese. I'm using a thick layer of the cheese because I love cheese and I want it to melt and kind of cover the whole area of the mushroom. When I say the whole area, I mean the top and the sides. So if one piece isn't enough to cover the whole top part, use one more slice. Doesn't matter. This is not for a design. Although when it melts down, it will look very pretty. I promise. Well, now let's put it into the oven. Okie doke, are you ready? We are starting. Good luck to our mushrooms. Dear viewers, sorry I forgot to tell you about the oil. I'm gonna use this one, although I'm not advertising. You may use it or you may use something else because this one has a lemony taste to it, so I'm going to use a little bit of this lemony oil. By the way, it's an avocado one, so just adding a little bit. That's it. That's too much, I guess. That's it. It will have a lemony taste. Well, the mushrooms have already changed the color. They are getting a little bit grayish to dark brown. And the cheese is melting and becoming orangey to brown, as you can see. So we're gonna close and leave it to bake more. Okay, as you can see, the mushrooms are ready. The cheese has totally become like golden brown, and I have already prepared the plate, and I am going to enjoy these mushrooms with a little bit of different than usual dip, which is called Mutabbal. I recently learned it from Syrian kitchen, and it's with eggplant and tahini. So I'm going to show how it will look on my table. I will share the recipe of Mutabbal in my future videos. Okay, let's remove and see what's going on in here. Look at that, so much juice. Did you imagine that we'll have this much juice from the mushrooms? It's not the oil, it's juice. Okie dokie. How do you like this? Do you like it? This is the way I'm going to serve my Mutabbal together with mushroom and cheese. Now I want to figure out, let's see, let's move this. This way you're opening the top and cutting it. Yep, it's cooked perfectly. You can enjoy it with Mutabbal or nasharab. Nasharab is a Persian syrup of pomegranate. See how beautiful it looks from a closer distance. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Very tasty. Yum, yum. By the way, this is very crispy. Hear the sound? Yep. Crunchy, crispy. Yum, yum, yum. If you like this video, don't forget to put your thumbs up, subscribe, share this recipe with your friends and family members. Write some comments if you like it. Let me know which part you liked, which part you didn't like, and come back for more. I'll have more recipes in 2024, together with baking, DIYs, and different types of organizational videos, as well as vlogs. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.